fear, what do we need to do?
I think fear is a part of life. Fear is just an emotion, and if you put some effort in understanding what life is and going into the depths, you know. So थोड़ा भी ज़्यादा हो रहा है भाई.
No, it's fine. Keep on speaking. So, like, what have you?
Put some effort in understanding what life is.
No, you wanna go a little more ahead till Okimat.
Yes. I think we should definitely go. We should definitely, if we have a chance to explore something new and definitely. And it's about experiencing this journey and not just stopping and diverting. We should not stray away from our purpose. Purpose is very necessary in life, I think. And life without purpose is very tough. So every time we should have a purpose, we should have an aim or a goal.
Why leave it, bro? Leave it. It is perfect. By the it's perfect. Now leave it. Now it's looking even great.
Guys, meditating.
सर्वाइवल के बारे में देखो, ये सवाल पहली बात तो ना बहुत गहरा सवाल है. अगर आपने ये सवाल बिना कोई बुक के पढ़ने से या वैसे ही आ चुका है, आपके कहीं बुक में पढ़ा है या ऐसी मन में आया?
ये एक्सपीरियंस.
हाँ, एक्सपीरियंस से आया. इस ऐसा हो सकता है कि ये सवाल आपके मतलब मैं पुरानी लाइफ के बारे में कुछ जानता तो नहीं, ये बहुत जन्मों से आ रहा है आपके मन में सवाल. अगर आप
I am aware of 3-4 chakras like Muladhara chakra, Uddiyana chakra, Jaladhara chakra, Anahata chakra.
Vasis, don't remember the name. बस यही है कि धीरे धीरे करके समझ में आता है कि हर चीज़ मटेरियलिस्टिक चीज़ का कुछ मतलब ही नहीं है. मतलब किसी और चीज़ का है जो
अभी समझ में
नहीं समझने की, जिसको समझने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, उसको बस फील कर सकता है. इमोशन की बात है. लोगों में इमोशन की कमी है.
वैसे बात सही है. ऐसा कहता है जो अल्टीमेट है तुम उससे समझ नहीं सकते, तुम उसे एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हो उसमें मर्ज होके. तो वो बात आपने सही कही.
नो.
ट्री यहाँ से आके देख. So even I wanted to say something. I have a fear inside me which I want to unlock, and in order to unlock the fear within yourself, you should move ahead. And let's see, will I be able to unlock my fear? So we are waiting to see something of your creativity on this sand today.
rain. This is it's like
What is human actually like?
yeah. I think I have forgotten it.
Turn this side. Now talk.
So that is why.
Turn to me. Turn towards me. Yeah.
Words of appreciation for this.
Yeah, it's kind of beautiful if you see it from here. Move aside. Move. हट वहाँ से. Being a part of Rishikesh now.
Being a part of Rishikesh. I don't think so. I am a part of Rishikesh.
Like, how do you feel after visiting Rishikesh? Like seeing this beautiful river.
I feel great. Beautiful place. It's a very peaceful place. I'm really liking it.
So today we are at Bharat Seva Ashram Sangha.
मैं कह रहा था कि तेरे ब्लॉग लेगी तो बोल कि आई शो यू सम व्यूज आल्सो और फिर व्यू दिखा वही
Sharda Peetham Guest House.
वाज वेरी नाइस
What is the best thing which you liked about this guest house?
लाइक इट इज अ वेरी पीसफुल
Peaceful.
spiritual place also holy place
Any deep, any something you have felt deep inside which you would like to share with us, like some awakening.
no way I just woke up
That's it.
yeah
And what about this ashram where you are staying? Have you seen the temple, the Shiv temple which is there?
no man I never go to any temple
Okay, thank you so much.